Hey folks, Weston here at Rattlesnake Acres again. So I told you in the last video that I was only going to put up a couple sheets of metal. Those two went so well, I went ahead and kept going. I didn't film it because, guys, sometimes I just like to work. I don't feel like fooling with the camera and everything. But anyway, I'll show you what I got done here. And after we get this side done, I'll jump over the other side and do the sheeting and everything over there. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So well over half the roof done, but anyway, y'all hang with me here and see if we can get the rest done. It appears we have some thinking to do. All right, guys, so I've been sorting metal out. Turns out, metal you see here has a different screw hole pattern than this metal, which doesn't make any sense because it came off the same building. So I don't know what they were doing, guys. It doesn't make much sense to me. Or me, I just went on. I mean, you got 14-foot span. I would have done sheeting every 2 foot. They did it like 16, 21, 27, 31, 37. I don't know, guys. It's all over the place. But anyway, so here on the farm, we're all about saving money. So buying that metal, I think I bought like 70 sheets for like, I think I gave them $900 for it, all of it. And at the time, new, if I would have bought the same metal I bought, it'd have been like 2,500, just new. But anyway, so saved quite a bit there. But what I'm trying to say is, when you're trying to save money, starting a farm, homestead, maybe you just bought a house, learn to adapt, guys. Learn to fix stuff yourself. Your screw holes don't match up on one side, put your sheeting different on the other side. You're still saving money, baby. But anyway, we're gonna get these last couple that I scrounged up, put up here, and then we'll come over here and start doing our sheeting on this side. Of course, we're gonna do the sheeting according to that metal. Y'all ever try to point when the camera's reversed? Tricky. Just show you how skilled I am. No, I'm just kidding, guys. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just having a good time. I hope y'all are having a good time watching. Anyway, stay tuned, guys. Hey, folks, it's actually a few days later. Hope y'all had a happy Thanksgiving. I know I did. I had some family come in from Indiana, and we deep fried a turkey Friday, and then last night some more of my family came down, and we had a small fire and roasted hot dogs and just enjoyed each other's company. And I had a good time. I think everybody else did. But anyway, while my cousins were here, my little cousins Nathan and Luke, and then their big daddy Dave came and out, and we finished putting sheeting on that side. So now all I have to do is the trusses here, and then the purlins for that shed, and we put railing on my porches up the steps, and they wanted the saw, so we sawed them. Actually, I've got a little bit of footage of that. I don't have any footage of them because they're wearing pink earmuffs, and I think kind of embarrassed them, so I didn't want to show that. But anyway, guys, I want to show you a quick tip here. So Dave is a carpenter by trade. Like, the man knows what he's doing. I do not. It's a miracle I've gotten this far on the shed by myself. But let's talk about this thing for a minute, guys. This is actually my new one that Dave gave me. I'm tickled with that. I've been wanting a smaller one, so that's freaking great. Thanks, Dave, for that. But let me show y'all a little trick I learned this weekend from the master, Dave. So I've always been the kind, I can make a 45-degree angle. I can make a right degree angle, of course, to square something off. But if I wanted to put something up on an angle, I would measure here and then wherever it was on this point and just make a straight line across. But Dave showed me, and I'm not ashamed to admit this, guys, I learn every day. If you don't learn at least one thing a week, let's say a week, you're wasting your time. You need to be learning things, guys. Especially if you're starting a farm, homestead, whatever. Learn something. Teach yourself. Go to the gas station. Talk to that group of old men that's sitting there eating their breakfast. You're going to learn more than you will ever learn at a trade school, college, anything. So anyway, so we got our line here. So I'm going to put this pivot point right top of this line, and I'm going to line it up, and then I'm going to come down here, and you'll see, let's see, I'm going to line my line up. It's right at 40 degrees. that's just the coolest little trick that I've ever learned. Like I said, guys, I'm not ashamed to admit I learn every day. I still don't know what I'm doing, but I know a little more now. So, like I said, learn, guys. I do have a little sawmill footage that I'm going to add here, but I've got a job for you guys. So I've named the sawmill. The sawmill's name is Clint Eatswood. All right. So now we need a name for my chainsaw, guys. So go down in the comments, down yonder, and let me know what y'all think we should name the chainsaw. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna sit down with my girls. We're gonna read through them, and we're gonna pick the one that we think really fits the saw. But guys, anyway, it's raining out here. That's okay because we got half a roof to stay under. How about that, guys? We got half a roof. But anyway, guys, without further ado, here's that sawmill video I was talking about. I hope y'all enjoy it. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and appreciate y'all watching. God bless.